everyone, welcome to TM channel. My name is Jenny Jo. Today I'm going to teach you Korean fried potatoes, which is so tasty and so simple. You can replace mashed potato with this because it goes very well with any types of meat or any types of also vegetable. And this dish, we are not going to use any butter and any milk, so very low calorie, so it will be help your health. So let me show you ingredients. Here is 3 potatoes, 1/3 onion, 2 stalk green onion, and here's the fish. This is fish sauce, but you can skip this one. This is just option. And then salt, garlic, red spicy powder, vegetable oil. That's it. So simple. I'm gonna start slicing with potatoes. And then put into bowl, prepare the fry. Next, let's chop onion. And then next I'm going to chop green onion. Here, let's start fry. When the pan little gets hot, put into oil. And then a little bit waiting the oil gets hot. Put into half of garlic. Oh, sounds so good. And then put in red spicy powder. Be sure not to burn the spicy powder. If it's burned, color changed like black, then you just fail. Then put into your potato. And then mix well. Stir until red spice cover the potatoes. I will put into fish sauce. Mix. And then put in onion in the pan. Continuous mix. And then put in saute. And then after that, put in 1 cup of water. And then cover it. After 5 minutes, we stir again so potatoes cooks evenly. And then turn down the heat like medium. And then we cover it and cook 3 minutes more. And then let's put in the rest of the garlic and green onion. Stir again. And then here is important things. Not overcook. And potato should be nice and chewy. Here we go. So look at the visual. So smell also so good. I'm going to try some. Good. Thank you for watching my video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.